What's up? Andrew Reby here with Vero Software to go over the top 10 new features of Cabinet Vision Solid Essential version 8. Number 10 on our list is the new expanded favorites bar. In previous versions of the software, you could only hold up to 16 favorite items. We've now given you the ability to put up to 32 objects there. Number 9 on the list is the ability to print from the current drawing page. Let's say that you have multiple drawing sheets available to you, but you only need to print the one you're looking at. Now, you can just click the print button and select the current page option to print the page that we're on. The next feature on the list is the ability to set a title block as a system default. What does this mean? Well, when you set a title block for a sheet, you have a new Set a System Default button. Once you've selected your title block, clicking this button will make Cabinet Vision always use this title block when creating new sheets. Here, let's try it out. First, I'm going to place a drawing scene on the sheet so that we can see the new sheet when I make it. Now, if I click on the new sheet button, I get a clean sheet with my title block on it. Feature number 7 is the new simplified door and end panel selection for jobs. What we did here was create an easier to use interface for selecting door, drawer front, and end panel types. Now, they are grouped together in this property list style control. Setting the properties in the All category will give us a blanket value that will cover all door and drawer front types. But if you want to have one or more of the types have different values, just open the property group and set the properties as you see fit. Moving on to feature 6, you now have the ability to define a shoe cubby in the assembly wizard. As you can see, we have a whole new part type defined in the interior case section of the assembly wizard. If we double click on it, it opens up the part properties for us to change. We can define things like minimum height for a section, as well as the minimum width, how the section dividers join with the case parts, and even the depth of the notch to be made where section dividers meet. Feature number 5 consists of speed enhancements to the Photo Vision add-on for Cabinet Vision. As we can see, the simple job that I've prepared renders in no time flat. Next on our list of the top 10 features is the new Zoom on Cursor feature. Starting with Cabinet Vision Solid Essential version 8, when you use your mouse wheel to zoom in on an area, the viewport will zoom in to the mouse cursor. Bringing up the number 3 spot is the ability to create new finishes from within the 3D viewport of Cabinet Vision Solid. So here I am in the 3D viewport of a simple job that I created. If I click on the Colors button and then click any of the items here, I'm given the Colors dialog to choose a color. What we did here though is add this New button. If I click on that, you can see that we could create a new finish from within this job. Rounding us off at number 2 is the new Ceilings feature. Now, instead of just having a floor for your drawings, you can have a ceiling as well. This feature works just like the Floors feature, so you can just click on the Ceilings button and draw your own ceiling as you need it. Or, you can click the Auto Build Ceilings button to have Cabinet Vision do it for you. And finishing us off at the number 1 spot is the new Automatic Lighting feature. What I have here is an empty job. No walls, no cabinets, nothing. Now I'm going to create some walls and place some cabinets on those walls. As I place my walls, Cabinet Vision is creating a series of lights that will aid in my Photo Vision renderings, giving me a nicer, more well-lit room. Let's speed this up a bit so that we can look at the lighting schedule. Now that that's done, let's take a look at this job in the 3D view. And now we just need to click on the Lights button, and voila! In previous versions, you were given only one light for the room, but we can see that Cabinet Vision has given us a whole bunch of lights to illuminate my cabinets. I do still have the ability to change each of these lights if I want to, and I can even make an all-new lighting schedule as I see fit. And that's it for the top 10 new features list. If you have any more questions, want more information, or want to look at the different Cabinet Vision products available to you, please visit us online at www.cabinetvision.com.